Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter. Hello! 7 screws, 1 plate. So I don't think you need me to tell you what's wrong with that. Over the winter, a bunch of ice built up when my car was parked, and as it melted and refroze and so ever, it ended up ripping the wing mirror off. So no vandalism or anything like that, but just a lot of snow. And because of COVID, I didn't really move my car. Hopefully, it's not going to be that difficult to change. So let's go and have a look. To remove the door card, which even though the connector for the wing mirror is just about here, I think it's advisable to remove the entire door card to get proper access to it. Okay, I guess you could, if you wanted to, try to just pull off this edge of it. I'm going to take off the whole thing, which from what I understand, there are 2 screws which are behind here. I've got to remove the trim around here and the screw that is just about there, and maybe having to remove this piece just here. What I'm using is a couple of screwdrivers that I've gone and covered them with tape so as to not damage any of the paintwork. I'm going to need a Phillips screwdriver as well. Yeah, and then I can get full access to behind here, and I can swap this connector over. and we're all done. Let's see if these the motors on this work. I call that a success. All in all, took me about 1 hour to do. Everything went really easily, and of course now it's like new again. Now next week, when I do my control technique and they do emissions and they make sure that everything is working fine, and trust me, if that was hanging off, that would be a fail. So fingers crossed, that's all going to be okay. And as always, if you'd enjoyed my automotive videos that I do every now and then, I've got one more big job to do. It's after a result of hitting a bore. Click the subscribe button down below, click the like button, leave me any comments down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.